Hello YouTube. In today's video, I'm going to be covering should you shower your bird. Anyways, let's get right into the video. The first way to see if you should shower your bird is to give him a bowl of water. And every morning, once you give him the bowl of water, they should shower themselves. But if they don't, then you should shower them. Now when you shower them, don't use soap. In fact, I already made a video on how to shower your bird, so make sure to check that out. Well, let's say you come home from work and you don't get to see them shower, or you don't have the time to change their water, in which case you should feel their feathers to see if they're oily or if they feel dirty. I'm sure you all know what that feels like. Now, if it's a small bird, I don't recommend showering it because small birds usually shower themselves. But if it's a big bird like Tony, then I recommend showering it, but not too often. I say once every 2 weeks is good. And make sure you don't use soap. Never ever use soap on a bird. Anyways, that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next week. Make sure you leave your questions in the comments for Q&A number 2.